All right, kind of walking up through here just to make a determination if I want to keep going or turn around, because I don't need to do anything overly dangerous by myself. And I'm looking at that massive rock in that puddle. I'm glad I saw it. But then as I get closer, okay, being a train buff, I just stopped here just on a whim to try to find a hotel for the night, and there's an old caboose sitting there. The Bixby Country Store. That's kind of neat. Welcome to another wonderful day here in the state of Missouri, and the continuation of my exploration of the state on the back roads. Today I'm going to do a loop, or at least part of it. I don't know if I'm going to do the whole thing or just part of it yet today. That's to be determined as I go. But we're going to be in the Mark Twain State Forest, or National Forest. Yeah, I think it's national. Anyway, let's see what today's going to bring, shall we? I don't know if I can get it or not. Well, there's the first little thing that's wrong with this route. We can no longer do that little loop anymore. So what I did is the only way to do this right now, because that road was actually gated off. Dude, really? This little section shown here just goes through the YMCA camp. It can be skipped. Alright. Looks like this route finally found some gravel. And there's land for sale back here. Well, first part of September here. Must be road grading season in Missouri, because this is another freshly graded road. Yeah, later in the day I hit some hills that were pretty loose and scary, with the bike jumping all over the place. Yeah, here's a section of the ride. If I take that right leg, the creator of this route just kind of goes up and back. I'm assuming that's a scenic point, but I truly don't know, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep on the circular path. Oh, I love the mist in the air. It's 8 o'clock local time, and according to the bike, only 60 degrees, and I'm a bit chilly because I'm underdressed for 60 degrees. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Well, I wonder if this is why he turned around, that it might have been really bad at that time. I could see where that would turn you around. Well, no, actually he went past this point, so that wasn't it. Huh, interesting. I know one thing, I'm all fogged up and can't see. Okay, was this why he turned around? That the road really doesn't go through like it says? That's what I'm starting to believe here. I don't know. Or did he come here swimming and just go back the other way? Interesting. Bass River Resort. Well, she just turned into pavement, and there's an RV park over there. Huh. Okay. Cabins. Alright. Kinda neat. I know you can't see it right now, but there's a train track down there. That would be so awesome if I caught a train. But for all I know, they're dead tracks, but still. One can hope, right? Another small stream down here. Most of them have been concreted, which is kind of cool. Let's see about this one. Yep, concrete. Oh, look at all the spider webs. That is awesome. Check that out. Yeah, it's picture time. Oh, check this shit out. Hey, get out of the mud, that's slippery. Oh, score. Oh, what the heck? I never even gave that a thought when I saw the road was going to make a right. Hey, my mama said I was never the sharpest pencil in the box. Make a right up here. I'm in farm country right now. A lot of homes, a lot of farms on this part of the road. Looks like this could get a little interesting up here with some switchbacks and things. They do new. Well, I think this is where it just told me to turn. I was just on pavement for a couple of 100 yards. But this makes me worry it's somebody's property. So we're just going to take her nice and easy. And if it is somebody's property, I'll apologize if necessary and turn around. So, even though I am on the path it shows, I don't know. Definitely not going to get in a hurry in this. It's kind of wet. How deep? Big mud puddle. Actually getting out of it was the worst part. Well, you're not going that way. If I don't hit a gate at some point and have to turn around, I'm going to be very surprised. Well, I thought I'd walk a little bit of this trail just to see. I don't know if that's going to show up, but right there is a cool little spider in his spider web. How me walking through didn't knock it down, I don't understand. But there's something cooler up here I want to show you. All right, kind of walking up through here just to make a determination if I want to keep going or turn around, because I don't need to do anything overly dangerous by myself. And I'm looking at that massive rock in that puddle. I'm glad I saw it. But then as I get closer, let me zoom in. That big turtle's not a rock. There's something to be said about Missouri. I see more turtles in Missouri than I do anywhere else I go. Well, heart's racing. I decided to go ahead and come down the path and see what's a little further. All right, this path I wouldn't say come down if you can avoid it. I'm glad I scouted ahead enough to see that turtle. And now we got another big puddle I'm going to take a break and look at. Yeah, I think this is where I say I'm too chicken. Can't see the bottom. There's no simple workaround. I'm completely alone out here. I don't have knobby tires. I'm guessing there's spots that this is 4 or 5 inches deep. Nope. Go back to pavement. I'm not far from the town of, was it Salem? I don't know, but that's where the route started for this anyway. So, nope. Call me chicken in the comments below. I don't mind. It's not worth it. Maybe if I had a buddy here with me, we could do something, but nope. Not alone. Alright, turn around.